Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel as Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yako right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create overlapping shadow text effect in CorelDRAW step by step without wasting much of your time. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about CorelDRAW you'll be notified and you watch the video. And lastly, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create overlapping shadow text effect in CorelDRAW. First thing first, you have to go to your type tools from CorelDRAW workspace. So select your type tools. Then after select your type tools, then you have to come to the workspace and type shadow. Okay. So you can also come to the font size and font style and change the font style and change the font size if you will like. Things like that. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select on the text. I'm going to make this text bold. Then after make it bold, I will have to change the color to white. So we'll be able to see what we type in at the bottom, at the top of the text. So we press P to centralize. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to the home tab here. I'm going to increase the font size. So let's try and see 100 width. I'm pressing enter key on my keyboard. So with that, then we press P to centralize. So we still need to reduce the font size of this. But nevertheless, there are different ways we can do that. We have to come to our shape tools right here. Select your shape tools. So when you select your shape tools, then you can drag from the point here. You can adjust your type tool. You can adjust it in this way. Okay. So if you are satisfied with the adjustments, then you click on OK and press P to centralize again. Next thing you have to do here is to break this text apart. So for you to do that, you just have to go to the home tab here and go to object and make sure you look for break text apart. Okay, so once you break the text apart, then you can have them one after the other, just like what you see right here. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to select any text that you want to apply the effect to. When you select the text, then you have to come to your transparent tools. Select your transparent tools, and then when you select your transparent tools, make sure you choose fonting fill. So when you choose your fonting fill, you need to have stuff like this. Then you can direct the effects based on what exactly you want to achieve. Okay, so if you're satisfied with the results, then you are good to go. So and then you can select on this one also. Now for you to apply the shadow effect on this, you have to click on copy transparent and select this. It's going to copy them one after the other. So you come here, copy this, boom. Then you come here, copy this, and boom. You come here, copy this, then you come here and select copy fill. Boom. So lastly, you can select everything and then you have to group them together. For you to do that, you just have to make sure you select everything this way. So once you select, then press Ctrl J on your keyboard. You have already grouped them together. Then you press P to centralize. So next thing I'm going to do right here is to make a duplicate of this. So for you to do that, you have to go to the home tab right here. Make sure you look for edit. Then from edit, make sure you click on copy. Then you go back to edit again and make sure you choose paste. So with that, we are able to paste in a duplicate. So the next thing you have to do is to come to the home tab here. Make sure you flip to mirror vertical and then mirror horizontal. Then the duplicate one now, with your downward arrow key, just tap to the bottom like this. So we still need to flip this way. Now, one thing you need to do right here is that you have to make this one has a shadow of this particular top at the light. So we have to select the bottom now, and then you go back to your transparent fill. So you have it this way. Then you have to control the transparent from the bottom to the top, and then adjust it based on how you want it to look like. So once you're satisfied with everything, you have to select all again, and make sure you press Ctrl J to group them, then press P to centralize. So guys, this is how you can create overlapping text effect in CorelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find follow for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.